Okay, I just have my cough, so here is part 2 of the IC incident command incident briefing packet. So we've gone through the main briefing side. So as I said earlier, there are all the different forms here, so I'm not going to walk you through them, but there's the master logistic forms here, the logistic equipment and supply, so inventory sheets. There are actually several of these in the packet. Many of these. Personal tracking if people stay in logistics. And then we go for each section. So IC personnel check-in, check-out. So if the IC gets more resources, IC personnel tracking, what are those people doing? And then we go IC event log tracking as well. And then we go to the planning, same things, personal check-in, check-out, personal tracking, and events tracking. So you have form for each section here. No, it's always a bit confusing, the forms, but make sure that they look into that when they go to their table and everybody gets its form. Finally, in the packet, there is a complete ICS 201 form. And what I think we should try to do, and I recommend it to do, is that for the purpose of the exercise, we really, at the end of the game, when I would say, okay, game is done, get ready to transfer command, you actually coach your teams to fill in the 3 first pages of the form 201. So obviously name of the incident kind of stuff. Map here, if you remember when I presented the deck, there is in the decks an extra map of the area. So the thing you should tell them at this point is that, okay, don't try to redraw the map here, don't do that, take this blank form, look at what you have on your board game and just copy that, show where is the command post, show where is the medical area, show where is the down power line, where we find a gas leak, where people were trapped, all those kind of things. So do that here. Here you just get them to do a brief summary of the situation. We found 2 victims, we treat them, or we found a cat, or whatever. On the second here, it would be actually nice to have them prepare, actually copy what has been done mostly by ops, but potentially everybody in the IC in terms of actions. So we know we send a quick hazard survey, we send neighbor assessments, we get this result, we send this, we send some people to look at the trap people, da, 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 da. So this element here, obviously the objectives should be summarized here. And finally, the organization of the team. So if we get these 3 pieces of the form filled in by at least 2 of the teams, then we can do a proper mini transfer of command, and I think we will have achieved something very, very nice here. So this is the packet that I will give during the introduction of the game to every IC. So again, once every IC gets this packet and goes back to his table, make sure that he actually go through this packet and assign the forms and the different sheets to his different team members. Thanks for watching, and more's coming on ICSLand version 1.2.